Question 7. Insert a voltmeter and an ammeter in the diagram below in order to read the current flowing through the resistor. And the voltage dropped across the resistor, right? An ammeter and a voltmeter. If the voltmeter reads 50 and ammeter reads 20 amps, calculate the power dissipated in the resistor. Well, sure, here's how we draw this circuit. And we're going to put one yoke in there. There's our power source. We can put our other, so we call that a voltmeter. V for voltmeter, A for ammeter. Calculate the power, and we know the voltage, so we know that V equals 50, and we know the ampage, so that's current I equals 20, and the power P is simply I multiplied by V, so that's going to be 20 multiplied by 50. 2 5s is 10, and add on the 2 zeros there, and we get 1000 for the power. So the power equals 1000, and power is measured in watts, big W.